Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix Litmatch banned device. So if you open Litmatch and it is showing you the message that your device has been banned, don't worry, you are not alone. This usually happens if the app thinks that your account broke any rule or if someone else used your device in a way that violates their terms. So in this video, I will show you everything step by step to fix a banned device and get your Litmatch working again on your phone. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to simply come out of your Litmatch application, open the settings of your device. In your settings, just scroll down and tap on apps. In the apps, tap on the option of manage apps. Now use the search bar in the top and search for Litmatch. Once you are able to find the Litmatch application, you need to tap on its icon and then you will be landed in the app info of Litmatch. Now on this page, you will see the clear data option in the top right hand corner. So tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. So in my Android device, I had the clear cache option in the bottom right hand corner. But if you are using the Android device of someone else's brand, most probably it will be in the storage section. So you can tap on the storage option and see if the clear cache option is available here or not. So you can also try force stopping the application and open it again. For that, tap on the force stop option that is in the bottom left hand corner, then tap on the OK button. Afterwards, you need to just try launching your Litmatch application and see if it is now working again, if it is now opening again or not. So if the ban was linked to the stored data, this might fix the issue. If the issue is not fixed, you can try this second method in which you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here, you need to use the search bar in the top and search for clone app. So for the cloning application, I would recommend you to use the Parallel application because it has 10 million plus downloads and 4-star ratings. So you need to download it and you need to create a new virtual environment for Litmatch, with the help of which you can bypass the device bans in many cases. Then you need to launch your Litmatch through the cloned application and try signing in or creating a new account. You can also try changing the device information because if the ban is tied to your device, you may need to change it. So the apps like device ID changer or using the custom ROM can actually reset your phone's ID, and this trick works best on the Android devices, but be careful and only use the trusted applications to avoid any damaging user phone. So these were some of the methods that you can use in order to fix the ban device on Litmatch in 2025. You can also try using the VPN services. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.